Hi everyone, I'm Ian, and today I'm going to be talking to you about buddleia, or butterfly bush as it is commonly known. Buddleia is easily recognisable by its large conical clusters of small purple flowers, its pale brittle bark, and its long spear-shaped leaves. Having the common name butterfly bush, it shouldn't really come as a surprise. It's an excellent source of nectar for butterflies, as well as moths and bees. It's an excellent addition to your garden if you want to provide a food source for invertebrates. I've seen brimstone, red admiral, speckled wood, and large white on this buddleia bush, just to name a few. To maintain the buddleia in your garden, it's recommended that you prune it back every year or so. Buddleia is very resilient and can be pruned almost to the ground and grow back the following year. I recommend pruning back your buddleia to about a foot of the ground, as I've done here. At the same time as you're pruning, you can check the general condition of the crown and thin out any branches, stop it getting overcrowded. You can also check the general condition of the buddleia, removing any dead or diseased stems at the same time. You can also grow dwarf varieties of buddleia, which only grow to about 6 foot and require less pruning than regular buddleia. They can also be grown in pots, which is perfect for anyone who wants to encourage wildlife into their garden, but might have limited space to do so. You can also get different coloured varieties, coming in blue, white, and multicoloured as well. Buddleia is a fantastic example of a non-native species that greatly benefits native wildlife, and I love seeing it flower in our garden every year. Bye now. Thanks for watching.